In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian spring rolls. This is one of the small chops served in Nigerian parties. If you are interested and you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. Let's get straight into the video. For this recipe, the first thing I'll be doing is to prepare the filling. And for the filling, I have cabbage, carrots, seasoned and shredded chicken, onion, chicken stock, some spices. I have a pan on the fire. I'll be adding a little vegetable oil into the pan and then add garlic and ginger paste. I'll be giving it a stir for a few seconds. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, like this video and don't forget to share. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. I just added the chopped onion and I'll be giving it a stir. Stir to combine well. Then the next ingredient is the spices, curry powder, thyme, dried oregano leaves, and some salt to taste. I'll be stirring properly to combine and mix well. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the shredded chicken. I cooked, seasoned the chicken till soft and tender, then I went ahead to shred it. You can use beef if that is what you want for your spring roll filling. So I'll be mixing this very well, stirring to combine well. Then I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of chicken stock. Spring roll filling does not really need much liquid or much vegetable oil. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the shredded cabbage. Then the grated carrots. I love grating my carrots for spring roll filling. Then I'll be adding a seasoning cube, then some seasoning powder, and give it a good stir or a good mix to mix well and combine well. Go ahead and season your spring roll fillings to your taste. This is a simple and easy spring roll recipe. It comes out crunchy with the filling so yummy and absolutely delicious. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the spring onion. I will keep stirring continuously to avoid overcooking. While making your spring roll filling, make sure there is no liquid or vegetable oil like this. My pan is dry, there's no excess liquid, there's no vegetable oil in the pan. At this point, our spring roll filling is ready. It is cooked. I'll be transferring it into a flat plate and allow it to cool while I'll mix and prepare the wraps. Make sure your spring roll filling comes to room temperature before usage. So I'll be spreading it very flat, then set it aside while I prepare the spring roll wraps. Here I have a clean bowl. I'll be measuring in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then sift it to avoid dirt and lumps. And into the flour, I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and use my small whisk to give it a good mix. You can add salt to your taste. Then I'll be using 2 cups of water to mix the all-purpose flour. Here I'm mixing the batter for the spring roll wraps. I'll be adding the remaining water. I added 1 cup first, then adding this one, mixing gradually to avoid lumps. So it won't have lumps. So I add the water gradually until I'm done with the 2 cups of water for the batter. So after mixing, let me add the rest of the water. Then after mixing, I'll be setting this batter aside for 20 to 25 minutes before usage. Now I'm done mixing. You can see the consistency. It is not too runny and not too thick. This is the consistency I'll be using to make my spring roll wraps. I'll set it aside and cover. To prepare the spring roll wraps, I'll be needing a flat pan. So after 20 minutes, I have my pan set on the fire with low heat. When the pan warms up, I'll scoop some butter, transfer into the pan, raise the pan away from the fire, then use my brush to rub the butter on the pan. Take it back to the heat. Remember, it is low heat. This is the batter style. When you notice the corners beginning to raise and come up, you know that your spring roll wrap is almost ready. Then you stand by and start peeling it off gradually. If it is too hard to peel or you find a little difficulty to do that, use your kitchen utensil for assistance and raise, remove. Set that aside, clean the pan and transfer another batter into your pan using your brush to rub and spread it. And to make your spring roll wraps, especially the batter style, you will need a non-stick pan for this purpose. And again, you raise, set aside, then I'll be transferring another one, raise. Once it starts pulling up, you raise, and again and again and again until we are done making all the wraps. While peeling off your spring roll wraps, be careful heat. It's hot. While you make your spring roll wraps, use a clean kitchen towel to cover them up after you lift them off the pan to avoid your spring roll wraps drying off. The next thing I'll be doing is to separate the spring roll wraps, because while making the wraps and adding them on each other, it tends to stick together. So gently and carefully, I'll be separating them. After separating the wraps, I will then start adding the filling. A real Nigerian party is never complete without a pack of small chops. And in that small chop pack, you will find a very delicious and yummy spring roll. With this recipe, you'll be able to make your spring rolls at home anytime, any day. Time to wrap the spring rolls. I'll be using this all-purpose flour and water mixture for sealing. So after wrapping, I'll use the mixture to seal the spring roll. So I am adding 2 spoons of filling. Then after adding, fold this way, roll once, fold in the right, and fold in the left. This way. Make sure it's a bit tight, then you roll to the end. Then at the end, you'll be sealing the spring roll. I'll be adding the all-purpose flour, the flour and the water mixture. Use it to seal the spring roll. Then roll up, make sure it's tight, then roll on your workspace. This is quite easy, right? Let's go again. With the fillings added, we fold and roll, fold in the right, fold in the left. This time, I'll be applying the seal, the flour and the water mixture before rolling to the end. Be gentle while wrapping your spring rolls so that you don't crack them. Be repeating the same process until I am done wrapping the whole spring rolls. Then time to fry. I'll be deep frying the spring rolls in vegetable oil. So I'll go ahead, add all of them inside the oil and fry till they are crispy and golden brown. You can make spring rolls at home for your family and friends, make for your guests, and of course, you know it's suitable for parties. Hope you'll be trying out these recipes. Don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. If you love this recipe, share and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. Our spring roll is ready, looking all attractive. Let's have a taste. Wow, the inside is so moist. And I know it will be yummy. Crispy on the outside. Let me have a bite. This is yummy and so tasty, very delicious. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video.